We are Team Virah, and our problem statement for Smart India Hackathon 2025 is SIH25038 blockchain based blue carbon registry and MRV system under the theme Clean and Green Technology. Our problem statement category is software and team ID is 93931. Our solution leverages blockchain, AI, IoT, and smart contracts to make carbon credits transparent, verifiable, and tradable. How our solution addresses the problem? Our system solves the major key challenges that are in the carbon market today. With blockchain, we ensure tamper-proof and immutable records. Field, drone, IoT, and sensor data is securely validated and stored in a wonderful place where the data is immutable to the highest of the categories. Independent verifiers. These verifiers are from NGOs, local panchayats, and local communities, because of which we can confirm 100% data accuracy. With smart contracts, we will be able to enable automated tokenized credits. And finally, we will have a real-time dashboards that will allow live tracking and monitoring of each and every carbon credit that has been issued in the market. Right? This approach directly supports India's blue carbon goals with a verifiable monitoring, restoration, and a verification system. Right? So let us go to the prototype demo that we have built. At first, this will be the landing page of the user. So what happens is certain credits above a certain limit are meant to be known for the public. So here we have added certain recent products and which are open to all users connective, right? And then we will be having a login page that will be authenticated by JWT or Amazon or Google Firebase Studio. And once login, we will have two columns. This will be the user dashboard, right? So this here users can see the total credits, requested credits, and tokenized credits at a glance. And they can also track their project status, view their portfolio distribution, and monitor recent transactions like minting or retiring credits. So what happens is this will ensure complete transparency and real-time tracking for every user. Okay, and going to the next part, this is the admin dashboard. So this is where the authorities and verifiers will be operating. Admins can view the total number of issued, retired, and active credits in the market, along with overall number of projects onboarded. Admins also have an option to onboard NGO by typing a given password. They can bring NGOs into the as a part of the verification process. So they can also issue credits to projects by filling their details like project ID, MRV data, and saplings planted. So what happens is once we know that there are a certain number of saplings planted, carbon credits are automatically issued according to scientific calculated measures that have been written. So 23 saplings planted will give you 12 blue carbon credits, and for certain projects where people are not used to more in technology or files, the issuance of credits from the department can also happen digitally. So this makes the system trustworthy and verifiable from the source. Next, going to the projects part. So this is the user's project part where the user here the project developers and the NGOs or the local panchayats can submit details such as project name, location, and supporting documents. This system passes through submission through multiple verification layers, including integrity check, AI assisted analysis, and blockchain validation. The verified projects only move forward for the admin verification that can pass. So for example, I have a project ABCD and I give a description ABCD, and I'm entering a project location as 129.376 and 113.281, and I'm uploading a data for the project. And now the AI system will automatically calculate and validate the project submission, and a Web3 token of confirmation will be issued, and the project details will be seen here, right? So this is what this page will be doing. And then last, that is still under development, is a carbon credit marketplace. Here verified carbon credits are listed with unique IDs. Anyone, whether it's an NGO, local community, local panchayats or communities or global buyers, can purchase or retire credits from here. So what this does is this will democratize the market and promote inclusive participation from all over the community, so all the communities, and ensures each and every credit is always traceable and trustworthy. Here we can see that there are certain recent transactions that we have been showing, right? So now let us go on to the presentation part. When it comes to feasibility and viability, our solution is highly feasible. When it comes to technical feasibility, it uses open source tools like Ethereum, MetaMask, and IPFS, because of which we are seamlessly validating and processing the transaction time. When it comes to operational feasibility, it works online, hybrid, or in person. So we have all three kind of operations to support all three kind of people. And financial stability, it is of course a very low cost if it is virtual, and it is obviously scalable from and adaptable from the localist to the local events to the global stage. And coming to the potential impacts that we will be bringing, right? Our solution has a wide ranging of benefits. We will be having social benefits, economic benefits, educational benefits, and also there are market benefits that we will be having. In social benefits, we will be using biodiversity conservation, coastal protection, sustainable livelihoods. Economic, we'll be increasing the transparency by over 100 or 2000 times. We will be preventing frauds, and we will be reducing the transaction cost and tracking each and every credit that is into the market. And when it comes to educational, we will be having interdisciplinary learning, promote climate literacy, and make sure India is ready for it. So in short, it ensures a greater market integrity, streamlined MRV, and an expanded investment opportunities for future. And when it comes to technical approach, right, the technical pipeline of our system will work as follows. The data collection will be done through satellite, drones, IoT sensors, and field reports. For AI event processing will be used for carbon stock estimation and verification. We will be using SIH25038 cryptographic hashing for security and blockchain for tamper-proof records. Decentralized storage on IPFS and global security data access. We'll be using automation using smart contracts for MRV compliance and carbon credit issuance. Tokenization will be done through ERC20 standards as prescribed by the international councils, and will be published on Blue Carbon Registry. Dashboard and marketplace for trading and retirement and monitoring of credits will be done. So this makes our system very much safe, scalable, and future ready. Yes. To conclude, our blockchain based Blue Carbon Registry and MRV system ensures transparency, inclusivity, and scalability in carbon markets all over the world. It empowers communities, regulators, and investors with a trustworthy platform for climate action with scientifically level graded or certified carbon credit solution. With this solution, we aim to accelerate India's blue carbon goals and economic sustainability and contribute towards a sustainable future. Thank you. That's it from Team Virah.